Okay, to solve these four corners, first you must find one. Okay, either it is already solved or it is in the correct position. How to know the cube is in the right position? By looking to its color. Okay, as you can see here, this one black with the top face, green with the right face, and the orange is here. So this cube is in a correct position. Okay, only it's not turned correctly. Alright, let's see the other three. This one, as you can see, it's not in the correct position because only the black is correctly aligned, but the other two are not matched. Okay, so this one is actually over here. Okay, let's see this one. It's actually here, and this one is actually here. Okay, so what we have to do is we will choose the correct cube. Okay, the cube that are already in a correct position, or the cube that are already solved, to be in the upper right corner, just like this one. And you will do the next algorithm by choosing this face. And because we must put the corner on the upper right, just like this one. Okay, if this one is correct, then we choose this face, and same goes to the other two. Right, so this one is in the correct position, only not correctly turned, so we choose this face to facing you. Alright, what the next algorithm do, it will maintain this corner on the correct position. It just turn this tree all around, all the way around. Okay, until it finds its correct position. Understand? Alright, let's do it. Okay, first is top clockwise, and then right clockwise. Okay, and then top counterclockwise, and then left counterclockwise, and then top clockwise, and then right counterclockwise, top counterclockwise, and then left clockwise. Alright, as you can see, this cube, this corner is still here. And let's see the other three. As you can see, this one is in the correct position. Why? Because it matches the three side. Okay, so I need to do with this one. Let's see the one. Let's see this one. Black with this one, blue with this one, this one. Okay, and last one here, correct. Here correct, and here is correct. Okay, so all four corners are already in the correct position. Okay, sometime when you do the last algorithm, you find that either one or two corners are already solved, which means it's already in the correct position, and it's already in the correct color places. Okay, all the cube are correctly positioned, but the color are not correctly aligned. Okay, so what we have to do, if we find one cube already solved, we put it backward over here, and we solve by placing our thumb and our any fingers backside. This thumb must be here, and hold it like this or like this, whatever we want. Only the thumb must be here. Okay, we will solve this corner first. Okay, after that this corner, by bring it over here, and all of it, we will solve this corner. Okay, after this you will see what we do. Alright, how you must do the next algorithm either twice or either 4 times. Twice or 4 times. Okay, let's see this one. The algorithm is right counterclockwise, and then bottom, okay, bottom, counterclockwise, okay, and then right, clockwise, and then bottom, clockwise, okay. One, I said twice or 4 times. Then we do it again. Right, counterclockwise, bottom, counterclockwise, okay, right, clockwise, and then bottom, clockwise, okay. As you can see here, this one is already on the correct position and on the correct colors, okay. So what about the other three? Like I said before, the thumb still stick here. We just turn the top tier like this. We will solve this corner. Alright, ignore the scramble here and there. We just focus on this corner. We do the algorithm once again, either twice or 4 times, okay. Right, counterclockwise, bottom, counterclockwise, and then right, clockwise, and then bottom, clockwise, okay. One, do it again. Right, counterclockwise, bottom, counterclockwise, right, clockwise, bottom, clockwise, okay. Twice. Is it soft? No. Then the third time, right, counterclockwise, bottom, counterclockwise, right, clockwise, and then bottom, clockwise, okay. The last time, right, counterclockwise, bottom, counterclockwise, right, clockwise, and then bottom, clockwise, okay. As you can see, it's already soft. Only one left, only two left, sorry. So we want to solve this, we turn it here. If we want to solve this, we turn it over here also, okay. So we do this one. Ignore this color, don't worry about it, okay. The same algorithm twice or 4 times. Right, counterclockwise, bottom, counterclockwise, right, clockwise, bottom, clockwise. Once more. Right, counterclockwise, bottom, counterclockwise, right, clockwise, bottom, clockwise. Soft? No. Once more. Right, counterclockwise, bottom, counterclockwise, right, clockwise, and bottom, clockwise. And the last one, right, counterclockwise, bottom, counterclockwise, right, clockwise, bottom, clockwise, okay. As you can see, it's already solved. Only one left over here. You turn it to the top right corner, just like this one, and you do the algorithm once again, twice or 4 times, okay. Right, counterclockwise, bottom, counterclockwise, right, clockwise, bottom, clockwise, okay. This is the last one. We just do it twice, okay, not 4 times like before. Right, counterclockwise, bottom, counterclockwise, right, clockwise, and as you can see, bottom, clockwise. Your cube are already solved. Alright, as you can see here, it's already solved. The marker is already missing, and that's all the algorithm you must remember and you must memorize to solve the Rubik's Cube, okay. But this is only for the amateur mode, just like me. Sometimes you can do it below 2 minutes, sometimes below 1 minute, but not like the pro, 1 second, 2 seconds, okay. So you just to impress your colleague, or just to impress your student or your wife or your family, alright, not the speed cube, okay. So good luck, and don't forget to train to master all the algorithm. Thank you.